egg rolling. The only rules are you got to decorate your egg and then roll it from the top of the hill until one breaks. When it breaks, you're out. So let's have a look at the eggs.
Wait, you know I'm really good because we haven't started. It's already broken. And also I like pigs from Minecraft.
Yeah, there you go. And what's Fox got?
A fox in a TV. Says it's a fox in a TV.
A fox in a TV, is it?
I dropped her and I smashed it on my
What other eggs have we got?
That's somebody.
My egg has go faster stripes.
Mom, you always give me a
This is the box.
I'll film him here so we can see him.
Yeah,
Fox and TV. So let's see how they roll. Yeah. We got a lovely,
That's just their scar when he was little.
but it's already damaged.
What?
Alright, it's the first egg. 3, 2, 1, go.
So how's it looking, Fox? You got a crack on it?
Not even a scratch.
That's good. Who's next, Jets?
The one that's already broke.
Yeah. Oh!
Oh, I can see it breaking up.
Let's go to the back.
We heard that egg crack as soon as it hit the ground.
Guys, well, you can still use it.
Come on.
Ready?
Why doesn't it?
Seagulls are trying to get him.
Get it. Oh. Why does mine shatter?
Well, the seagulls are getting ready to get my egg.
Go down.
Oh, that seagull nearly had it. We're going to get pooped on. Fox, did that seagull have the egg?
It had it in its mouth and it dropped it.
Oh my goodness. Is it okay though? Yeah, he's alright. No cracks. Little Fox is still cute on it. Okay, I'm ready. Oh no! Seagull's gonna get it.
Hey, seagulls! Oh! Hey, seagulls!
Chuck it in the air and then get it.
Hey, seagulls!
Chuck it up in the air.
Oh!
Wait, is there any more? Yeah.
You're not supposed to feed the seagulls, you know.
Yeah. Where is it? There's one. This one here. Ah, it's looking really good. Geez, this is kind of like Minecraft, so if I swap... Oh! There's one over here. Any damage? Oh, where's Mum's? Ah, it's over there. No damage! Yeah! Alright, Fox is absolutely broke. There it is now, the best bit!
I got the yellow.
Hey, Seagull!
Hey, that's still part of me.
Alright, apparently he does not want it broken. And it's another go. Bouncing. That's number 1. And number 2, which they're all safe. It's just getting too easy. Yeah, let's go.
And the winning egg is
No one's getting no height.
the winning egg. Do you want a high one, do you? A high one.
It's so far in the
Ready?
Wait, I need a... What the hell?
Oh, that's gone over the grassy knoll. Oh my goodness, it's gone past the bench. That must be a new world record. It's not cracked.